Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. Which of the following arises acceleration vector in two-dimensional translational motion? 1. If an object's velocity vector changes in magnitude or direction. If an object's velocity vector doesn't change in magnitude or direction. If an object's velocity vector changes in magnitude only, or if an object's velocity vector changes in direction only. So, as we know, to get the acceleration to change, either the magnitude or the direction of the velocity must be changed. So, the right answer is the first one, this one. Thank you.